Yeah, in next topic is what string. We need to discuss about strings. What is strings? In strings, we have to discuss about different classes are this different objects. One is string object, a string buffer object, a string builder of object, right? We have different object. We can take any objects, right? In string, what are the string object? If I declare string s1 equals to new string abc, this is what these objects are called immutable objects. Immutable means not changeable. Immutable objects and mutable objects. Okay, what is mutable object and immutable? Okay, this is not changeable. Once if it is declared not changeable, these objects are not changeable. They are constant. Mutable means changeable. For example, if I take string buffer, for example, if I declare string buffer, they are called mutable object. If I declare, how to declare? String buffer s1 equals to new string buffer of some abc. Same if I write abc, then what is the difference between these two? Okay, these string buffer objects are mutable objects. For example, see now string objects and string buffer object. Now string objects created like this. This is not changeable. ABC, that is not changeable. Okay, if I declare string buffer, this is string buffer object. We can change it. Can I change this value ABC? Can I reverse this? Yes, we can reverse. Okay, ABC value you can reverse also. How to reverse? CBA also we can write. Okay, we can changeable this object. Okay, but you cannot changeable. For example, if I write if I convert to uppercase, what will happen? Another object will be created. This is s1, right? S1 cannot be modified. Okay, this object is mutable, but this object is mutable. This is string buffer object, but this can changeable. S1 dot reverse, if I write here, in this case it will change. But if I write s1 dot reverse, for example, if reverse method is there, another object will be created some other location. Okay, CBA will be created, but it won't changeable, right? That is cannot be modified. That is immutable objects. This is a mutable object. Okay, that is a difference. Okay, string objects and string buffer object, immutable and mutable objects. Now we discuss in strings different methods how to compare the two strings. For example, see class string example 1. How to compare strings? We can create different ways string objects. For example, public static void main. See, first I want to compare two strings. How to compare two strings? Okay, for example, now I am declaring two strings, right? How I am declaring string s1 equals to new string, or directly we can write. What is the difference? Is it string object or not? For example, if I write Java here, it won't create object. It will store in string pool area. Okay, that is a pool area. It will store in some other location, not stored as an object. Okay, if I declare one more object, guys, if I write string s2, if common pool area is there, for example, this is string common pool area, this is object storing area, heap area will be there. For example, this is total heap area. Okay, this is, for example, this is a heap area. Now it is a heap area, guys. For example, this is heap area. In this heap area, objects will be stored. What about this other location? String common pool area is there. Okay, in this common pool area, here string variables will be stored. Objects will be stored in the heap area. For example, if I write Java, Java is declared here. Okay, Java will be stored. Who is referring? S1 is referring that. S1 is stored, is referring in common pool area. Okay, in common pool area, where constant values will be stored only one time. If I write string s2 equals to Java, already Java is there, right? Then it won't store again. S2 also refer the same object, nothing but a same area. It refers the same Java also. Okay. Now, how to compare the two string? Double equals to. We use double equals to and equals method. What is double equals to method? What is double equals to method? It checks for all address. Okay. Both addresses are same or not. Both addresses are pointing same area or not. S1 and S2 pointing same area, right? Now what is double equals to? Yes, it shows same, right? Using double equals to and equals to method, we can compare. For example, what is double equals to? Here double equals to address comparison. Both variables or objects pointing same area or not. What is equals method? Content comparison. Content comparison equals it checks the content comparison. Double equals to is what? Address comparison. That is the difference, guys, these two methods. First we check it here. What is double equals to? Right here we use, in this case, what is output? System.out.println true or false. Now I want to check it. First equals method. First case, s1 equals to s2. Both are referring same area or not? Here both are referring same area or not? Address is same or not? Address comparison. Both are pointing same area. That's why it returns true. Okay. Can I use the equals method? What is equals method? We check it. S1 dot equals of S2. Now I am checking S1 dot equals of S2. What is S1 dot equals of S2? Both areas are same or not? Content. Yes. Both are same. Then that's why it returns true and true. Once check it. String example. Now I want to check string example 1.java. Yes. Compile once. How to compile? Java is a compiler. String example 1. Java string example 1. Output is string example 1. See output true and true. Both are referring same. Okay, in another case, guys. For example, in this case, both are true. For example, if I take objects, for example, like this, string s1 equals to new string of, what will happen? Now I am taking Java. This is one case. Now string s2 equals to, we are taking new string of Java. Now we are creating what? Objects. Whenever you create object, not will, it won't store in here. Okay, what is s1 refer? One object, that is Java. S2 refer another object, that is Java. This is S1 is pointing one location, right? Java. S2 is pointing what? Another object, that is another location. Okay, what is double equals to method? Both addresses are same? No, both address. This is one address. Now what is this? Java stores some other location. For example, one hash code. S2, this also stored in some another hash code. Both are pointing same? No. S1 address is different, S2 address is different. This return false. But equals method is what? Content comparison. Content, same objects referring same content. Yes, right? See, S1 Java. Now this is true. In this case, it is false, guys. Once compile and once execute in this case. See this. First case false, second case true. Same like we have many methods are there in string class. Okay, if you want to see the string class method, you understood what is double equals and equals method, right? And how this string will be stored in common pool area and object difference. This is a common pool area. Already it is there. It points to the same location. Okay. Now in string